Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, today many people are working from home. In fact, according to a survey, almost 95% of Indian firms are planning to allow their employees to continue working from home for the next 2 years. Now, as we all know, this means spending long hours staring at a computer screen. The survey further adds the average Indian screen time for Indians shot up by 25%, and as many as 23% respondents complained of weaker eyesight owing to increased screen time, cataract, and other age related vision problems. But the numbers are likely to be much worse this year as people continue to use their devices for work, school, and social networking during the pandemic. Multiple reasons are responsible for the strain in the eye. Lightning effect, especially in home offices, is one of them. It can be described as when a window reflects light onto your computer screen, masking the information and similarly causing visual fatigue. Another issue causing excess eye strain is the need to feel constantly connected at work. Most of those who asked said they felt they always need to be available in case colleagues feel they are slacking. As a result, 15% never take a screen break, and overall, each day they spend nearly 8 hours directly gazing at either a computer monitor or their phone. As many of us are now spending more time in front of our screens, it is crucial to start taking actions and placate any negative lighting effects to protect our eyes, our bodies, and our mental well being. Failure to do so can result in preventing you from working to the best of your abilities. We all know yoga and our brisk walk or lifting weights in the gym can strengthen our muscles, support cardiovascular health, and improve blood circulation. But what about the eyes? Often we tend to neglect eye health issues unless we notice that there is something really wrong with our vision. According to Dr. Namrata, there has been a 30% increase in complaints of eye strain, dry or itchy eyes, headache, blurred vision, and physical and mental fatigue. Normally, in a minute we blink about 16 to 18 times. But when you read or stare at a screen, you tend to blink only about 8 to 10 times. Why is blinking so important? Dr. Namrata says that when we blink, tears spread over the cornea. Tears contain certain proteins that provides the much required nourishment for the eye. Intermittent blinking also provides rest to the macula, a part of the retina responsible for our central vision. Fortunately, simple changes to your daily habits like planning regular screen breaks, adjusting your desk and computer setup, and investing in good quality layered light sources can make all the difference. Now, how can Ayurveda help you? There are special treatments that reduce eye strain caused due to stress or regular use of digital devices. Netra Tarpan. In Netra Tarpan, specially prepared lukewarm ghee or oil is retained over the eye socket inside a well created using black gram paste. Netra Tarpan is useful in treatment of computer vision syndrome and dry eyes. It is also helpful in reducing the itching or irritation caused due to eyes. It also helps improve vision by providing local nourishment. Padabhyanga. Padabhyanga refers to Ayurvedic foot massage using herbal oil. It stimulates some special points on the feet that lead to mental relaxation. Padabhyanga also includes stimulation of some specific points present on our feet that are associated with improvement of vision. The foot massage is also known to improve mood and mental health. To end, modern choices comes with many serious dangerous fallouts which we remain unaware of. The practice of using a cell phone is barely 20 years old in India. Apps are even more recent. However, we have already begun reaping the ill effects of the overuse of these conveniences. Ayurveda is always immensely practical. The acharyas are not strict or methodist in their advice. They always recommend leading a life of balance for good health. We hope our post help you appreciate many of the deeper reasons behind eye strain and eye fatigue. We also hope you will go through and follow the Ayurvedic recommendations we have suggested to help you get the most out of your eyes.